Hey, paint people. I need to, man, I'll tell you. I asked and looked around. Nobody knows what color these red, brownish, orangish pillars are. And they're just metal. I call them I-beams. But anyway, I couldn't find the damn paint color, and I tried a few, and this looks like it works. So this is going to be a pretty short video. This is what I used on those poles. Flat red. Doesn't look red to me, but you can tell it blended in pretty good. Comes out pretty flat red, and then when it dries, I painted all this already and all this, so that's the color. If you're looking for what to touch up your I-beams, if they aren't, if they got paint things on them, I had a couple little paint tries, etc., and I decided to clean them up. I couldn't find, nobody knew the exact color. So this is the color. Hope that helps, because when I Googled it, I couldn't find it. There was no answer. So hopefully YouTube will flood Google with it. Well, isn't that there? Little Moki over there. Moki, you're a good kitty. He's like, whatever, Dad.